Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss some important questions for KSET level preparation of alcohols on the basis of preparation of alcohols. In that, the first question is that styrene undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of acidic medium, then formation of. Here your options are C. So here styrene undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of acidic medium, then what is the answer? It will be formed. Generally, hydrolysis of unsaturated hydrocarbons of hydrolysis in the presence of acidic medium generally follow the Markovnikov rule. So that's why negative addendum of the group is attached to the less number of hydrogen containing double bond of the carbon. So then here OH is attached to second position, H is attached to the first position. Same here also in between unsaturated carbon. So here OH does not attach to the benzene ring, only which is attached to the carbon number 1 or 2. So here negative addendum of the group OH minus which is attached to the carbon number 1, hydrogen is carbon number 2. Then formation of, this is the answer. So your option is A. So now tell me what is the name of this reaction? You know this product 1-phenyl ethanol. So this carbon also we can consider as a chiral carbon. Means the product also is optically active. Okay. Next question number 2. If this cyclic compound undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of acidic medium, then what is the answer? It will be formed. See, here also same follow the Markovnikov rule only. So double bond containing compound, this carbon has no hydrogen, this carbon has only one hydrogen. So hydrolysis of alkane follow the same Markovnikov rule. So negative addendum of the group is attached to the less number of hydrogen containing double bond of the carbon. So then your answer is so this is the answer. It will be formed. Next, one question we discuss is a very important one. This is 3-methyl-butene reaction with BH3 in the presence of hydrogen peroxide in the alkali medium, then formation of, the answer is. So here option A. Option B. Option C. Option D. So in the given four options, what is the answer? It will be found. See, this reaction is the best example for hydroboration oxidation reaction. Hydroboration oxidation reaction. So in the hydroboration oxidation reaction, one important note, in this reaction we can prepare only primary alcohol, means this reaction follows anti-Markovnikov rule. So anti-Markovnikov rule. So according to that rule, alcohol formed more number of hydrogen containing double bond of the carbon, then first position OH group is attached. So then your answer is B. You remember this. Okay, next question. Same on the basis of hydroboration oxidation reaction. See, in the given compound which is undergoes hydroboration oxidation reaction, what is the products are formed? So option A, option B, option C, option D, so these are the options. So the hydroboration oxidation reaction, already I told you, which is follows the anti-Markovnikov rule. So anti-Markovnikov rule, alcohols are formed least stable alcohol, means the priority of formation of alcohol primary and secondary and tertiary alcohols are it will be formed. So here double bond containing carbon, two conditions are there. This is the tertiary carbon, this is the secondary carbon. So according to hydroboration oxidation reaction, least stable alcohol are formed or priority of formation of alcohol primary, secondary, tertiary. So in the given molecule, two conditions are there, secondary and tertiary. So your priority is secondary alcohols are formed compared to tertiary alcohol. Why? Because hydroboration oxidation reaction follows the anti-Markovnikov rule. So then your answer is B. Okay, right. Next, question number 5. This is we'll discuss the important one. So this is undergoes reduction in the presence of sodium borohydrate, then what is the product it will be formed. Now here option A, option B, option C, option D, none. So see, sodium borohydrate, which is the reduction reagent which can reduce the only one oxygen containing functional group only. You remember this one important thing. One oxygen containing carbonyl compounds only. Like for example, aldehyde has one oxygen, ketone has one oxygen. Okay, one oxygen containing carbonyl group only reduction by the sodium borohydrate. See, In this molecule you have the two functional group. One is the ketone functional group, another one is the C double bond O CH3. So this is ester functional group is there. So ester functional group two oxygens are there. This part does not reduced by the sodium borohydride, only which can reduce the ketone group. So that's why this group as stays in this molecule and the ketone group turned into alcohol. So then your option is C. Next, question number 6. Both 3-enoic acid undergoes reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So then what is the answer? It will be formed. So your option okay. See, both 3-enoic acid undergoes reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride strongest reduction reagent which can reduce the all carbonyl compounds, 1 oxygen containing 2 oxygen 3 whatever is there, all carbonyl groups are coming to alcohol, but which is does not disturb the unsaturated hydrocarbon or double bond or triple bond of the carbon. So only lithium aluminum hydride reduce this carbonyl part only. This part turn into alcohol, does not disturb the double bond. So here double bond in option B, double bond not disturbed, but carbon group turn into alcohol. So your answer is both 3-enol is formed. So your option is B. Next, X and carbonyl compound reaction with the methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis, then formation of tertiary alcohol. So what is X? Okay. Your option A formaldehyde, B acetaldehyde, C acetone, option D benzaldehyde. Okay. So here reactant not given, they are given product. So that is the, if you know the function of Grignard reagent, automatically you can able to identify the option in the given option. So now you see the important thing is that here tertiary alcohols are formed. Tertiary alcohol is formed, that is tertiary butyl alcohol. You remember when formaldehydes are reaction with the Grignard reagent, formaldehyde reaction with the Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, then formation of primary alcohol. Except formaldehyde, any aldehyde reaction with the Grignard reagent, then formation of secondary alcohol. Any ketone reaction with the Grignard reagent, then formation of tertiary alcohol. So here tertiary alcohol formed means the reactant is compulsory ketone only. In the given 4 options, the ketone group is SE4 only. So then your option is C. Okay, right, thank you. So remaining question we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, bye.